Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So today we'll be showing you guys how we made this potent rosemary and mint butter with just a few powerful and natural ingredients. If you're experiencing dandruff, dry scalp, or any hair thinning, this butter is perfect for you. As we all know, a healthy scalp leads to hair growth. This butter can be used to enhance hair growth, treat dandruff, dry scalp, hair breakage, brittle hair, and hair thinning. The first ingredient we'll be using are dried rosemary leaves. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promotes nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair growth in areas it was lacking. It also improves blood circulation, which prevents hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off, and leading to hair loss. The second ingredient we'll be using are dried mint leaves. Guys, I don't know about you, but we love the smell of mint leaves, and they are amazing because they are a good source of carotene and antioxidants that help promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. Mint leaves also contain antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which are used to treat dandruff and lice. And lastly, we'll be pouring in 200 ml of coconut oil. Guys, we'll be using pure unrefined coconut oil. This is natural and lightweight, and it's an alternative to shea butter like we've used in our previous formulas. It works well to create the formulation of the hair butter and is amazing if you have low porosity hair, as it is lighter on the hair. Once you have all your ingredients in the jar, now it's time to double boil. Gently place your jar into boiling water and on low heat. Mix in thoroughly and allow to boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, switch off the stove and allow your mixture to cool down. Once your mixture has cooled down, now it's time to strain. We'll be using a wig cap to strain. Strain and transfer your mixture into a clean jar or container to store your herb butter.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you got me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
To store your herb butter, place your mixture in the fridge or freezer for a minimum of 20 minutes and you would see your butter already solidify. You can store your butter in the fridge or freezer overnight in order for you to be able to take it out whenever you want and it will be ready to be used. This rosemary and mint butter is not only super easy to make, but has also been effective in growing and thickening our hair as well as healing our scalp issues. This butter is perfect for slow hair growth, bald patches, alopecia, dandruff, dry scalp, psoriasis, hair breakage, brittle hair, and hair thinning.
Oh.
How to use. This butter can be applied by parting your hair into 2 to 4 sections. It can be applied directly onto your scalp and massaged in. It can also be applied onto the body of your hair to lock in moisture and seal your ends. This hair butter can be used 1 to 2 times a week. Guys, if you made it this far, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video has been helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this amazing rosemary and mint hair butter. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.